Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Aisha Yusuf and welcome to another episode of Catch Up with Aisha. कराची में इतने सारे hotels हैं. Then why Awari Towers only? Come let me show you. Assalamualaikum everyone, this is Aisha Yusuf and welcome to another episode of Catch Up with Aisha. कराची में इतने सारे hotels हैं. Then why Awari Towers? Come let me show you. Assalamualaikum. Hi Zoha, how are you? I'm good.
Pleasure having you.
Same here. So guys, this is Zoha, Head of Marketing and PR at Awari Towers.
Thank you.
This was long pending.
Yeah, finally we have done it.
And I'm so excited. मैं इतनी बार Awari Towers आई हूँ, but this time I will get the properly इसको explore करने का chance. Let's go. Hi again, Zoha.
So this is our executive lounge.
Wow.
People with access with executive rooms can have the access to this lounge and have their breakfast here and conduct their meetings. You can have a look to it.
Yeah, definitely. Guys, let's go. मुझे तो बहुत ही मजा आ रहा है. And it's so elite and premium. अच्छा जोहा, हमारी जो हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री और मार्केट है सो कम्पिटिटिव और बहुत सैचुरेटेड हो रही है. हालांकि कुछ ही ऐसे होटल्स हैं जो कि प्रीमियम है और ईट सर्विसेज देते हैं. सो व्हाट इनोवेशंस डू यू ब्रिंग विद अवारी टावर्स टू मेक इट स्टैंड आउट?
Well, we keep our eyes open with the market trends, what's happening, and accordingly we create our content. And what I try कि जो hardcore image mostly hospitality में होती है, we don't go for it. We try to create some soft image, and we are open to collaborations and innovations. So always open to new ideas.
That is great actually. Good
you.
strategy. So good. जोहा, आपकी इंडस्ट्री में सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होता है कि जो गेस्ट जब आ रहे हैं तो उनको एक बिल्कुल ही ज़बरदस्त एक्सपीरियंस मिलना चाहिए. सो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस दे एक्सपीरियंस हियर एट अवारी टावर्स दैट इज डिफरेंट फ्रॉम अदर होटल्स?
Alright, so we don't only provide services, but we make sure we give them some experiences, and that's how it's possible कि जो गेस्ट हमारे पास आते हैं हम याद रखते हैं कि उनकी क्या प्रायोरिटीज़ हैं. If a guest who always stays in a twin room, or there are some guests who would like a cappuccino without sugar or with sugar, so our staff make sure they remember it and they accordingly serve them.
बहुत ही ग्रीन फ्लैग है अवारी टावर्स, आई एम टेलिंग यू. That is so good. I mean, itna attention to detail when you pay. So guests must feel, good that someone is remembering each and every detail about us.
Of course, and I think that's what matters really.
That's what matters.
What is this? This is Dynasty, our Chinese restaurant, and the chef Yan, he does the magic here.
Okay, that's really nice. And this is famous for Chinese.
Yes.
Very famous one. What is the one cuisine that's extremely famous? Like Chinese here. What would you recommend? Okay. Okay, guys, so now Zohar is taking us to Asia Life. Let's go. Guys, there are so many sauces. Wow, let's try this one. Let's try it because Zoha ने बहुत तारीफ की है. Prawns are my favorite. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It's so good. It's so tender. It's well cooked.
Okay.
Flavors are really nice.
Please tell them.
Good job, chefs. Okay, so Hawaii Towers में कितने restaurants हैं इस वक्त?
So we have 5 restaurants. One is Dynasty that I showed you. That's Chinese. Then we have Fujiyama. That's our Japanese restaurant. Then we have Sky Barbecue. Like basic food barbecue. Then we have Ishelai that has the Italian mixed cuisine. And we have Cinnamon Lounge. So you can have your burgers, tea, coffee.
Which one is your favorite?
I'm in love with sushi these days. Fujiyama.
Fujiyama. So we have to explore Fujiyama now. So we are at Fujiyama at Hawaii Towers, and for the first time I'm going to try sushi. I hope I like it. Zoha has recommended me to try sushi at Fujiyama. हम इस वक्त फुजियामा में present हैं and it is being claimed to be best Japanese restaurant in Karachi so far. So I'm very excited to try sushi for the first time on her recommendation.
Definitely.
So you tell me about Fujiyama.
So we are the most authentic Japanese cuisine in town,
Okay.
and we serve Japanese buffet, which is not available anywhere else but at Awari Towers,
Wow.
Fujiyama, and that's for only 8,000 plus taxes. And if you want to go a little budget friendly, come for business lunch, and that's 3499 plus tax.
जबरदस्त प्रमोशन हो गई है फुजियामा
Yes.
की एंड इनफैक्ट आई एम हियर सो आई कैन सी द वाइब बहुत ही जबरदस्त है एंड यू फील वेरी प्रीमियम एंड elite already so I'm too excited to try the sushi.
Okay.
It looks nice. भाई ये आ गई है और ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेम्पटिंग लग रही है. I don't know how to eat from chopsticks though.
You
I'll
should
be very real, but okay, you have to teach me.
Let's open
How
them
do we
up.
use
Oh my
these?
God. You need to split them apart.
Okay.
I did it.
Like
Yes.
like
A
this?
little down. Yeah, pull it.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay.
And we grab one.
यार इसको हाथ से नहीं खा सकते.
If you want. You can
No,
grab
no.
it.
Tell me how.
I will try my best. Sorry for messing it up.
पीछे बैकग्राउंड में ना जापानीज गाना लगाऊंगी मैं इसके. बिस्मिल्लाह ये आ जाए. ओ ओके ओके. Mission successful. Now I have to try it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Full? पूरा खाना?
As you are comfortable.
Okay. Wait. I knew this was going to happen. Wait. Okay.
मैंने तो बहुत बड़ा पीस उठा लिया. I can't eat unless she tells me.
Okay, so I have tried the vegetable sushi. पहली बार खाई है मैंने. ये वाकई बहुत मजे की है. मुझे हमेशा लगता था सुशी का टेस्ट ना बहुत weird होता होगा. It has some sour taste and balanced with the vegetables. बहुत मजे का टेस्ट आ रहा है.
As I told you, I love sushis.
I highly recommend Fujiyama. You have to come. अभी तो लाइव खा के दिखा दिया हमने खाना. So now I am trying to eat in a bit nicer way using these chopsticks. कि कभी मुझे जापान जाना पड़े तो मुझे चॉपस्टिक्स थैंक यू मुझे चॉपस्टिक्स तो यूज करनी आती है. Walk me through that how Awari Towers is evolving in branding.
So we are expanding. We already have properties, as you know. This is Awai Towers in Karachi. We have Beach Luxury. Then we have in Lahore, Islamabad, Multan, Faisalabad, Gujranwala, Gilgit, Skardu, and we are about to open in Bourbon now. So that's the hot news.
Wow, that's amazing. Bourbon में तो बहुत ही मजा आने वाला है और जोहा ने बोला she is going to invite
Yes,
me.
definitely. आप आए हमारे रेस्टोरेंट में, वहाँ पे हम आपको मजेदार खाने खिलाएंगे.
That's so sweet of her, guys. मैं तो Bourbon चली Awari Towers. Zoha, अभी जैसे आपने बताया there are a lot of other properties that Awari Towers has. अब कराची में तो और भी hotels हैं, right? Why should one choose Awari Towers?
Because I work here
Oh
and
my
I do
God.
the amazing branding. So
She
see you
does.
guys.
Exactly. But you know what are the premium services that you can vouch for जो इस वक्त दूसरे hotels offer नहीं करे? Maybe restaurant, maybe something exclusive that others doesn't have, but Awari offers that.
As I mentioned earlier, our Japanese buffet, and
Yeah.
along with that we have our OST. आप मसाज के लिए यहाँ आ सकते हैं. हमारे पास स्विमिंग क्लासेस होती हैं और इसके अलावा इवन हम जापानीज कुकिंग क्लासेस भी होती हैं यहाँ
Wow,
पे Awari
really?
Towers में.
Who can
Yes.
learn that?
Anyone,
Okay.
whoever is interested, you can get yourself registered through online, or you can give us a call and we can get you here.
अच्छा मुझे बताएं कभी ऐसा कोई एक्सपीरियंस होता है ना क्योंकि जब हम हॉस्पिटैलिटी के बिजनेस में काम करते हैं सो वी ऑलवेज हैव टू पुट दैट स्माइल ऑन आवर फेस
Alright.
right so sometimes has it happened with you that there's a guest who's very furious and sometimes guests are very aggressive छोटी छोटी चीज़ों में प्रॉब्लम करते हैं how does the staff cater them?
Okay, so one best thing, if I tell you Zoha before hospitality, so you would find me like any other person. जो भी
Yeah.
छोटी बात पे annoy हो जाना, and we do react being girls, so we go
Yes.
very loud. But since I entered in hospitality, I very naturally had that patience, and हमारे फ्लोर पे फ्रंट ऑफिस में इस तरह के ओकेजन सब जगह होते हैं कि जहाँ डिबेट्स कोई कॉन्फ्लिक्ट अराइज हो जाता है, but we always maintain very calm, and since we are from hospitality we have to be patient enough, and alhamdulillah we always end up in a very good note.
One skill that anyone who wants to pursue their career in hospitality have to have in them or learn.
Patience, habit.
Patience and a smile, I
Smile,
believe. It's
yeah,
very
once
important.
you have the patience, then smile is the jewelry that you can put on easy.
Hawaii Towers is known for legacy. It's a legacy brand. So how do you guys maintain that legacy?
We do it by maintaining our cultural heritage. If you see beach luxury, you have the old vibe as you
Yeah.
get in there. So while making sure we innovate, we are renovating our property, but we maintain the heritage.
ये एक्चुअली मैं समझती हूँ किसी भी बिजनेस के लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है ऑथेंटिसिटी एंड
Exactly.
कनेक्टेड टू रूट्स. लाइक आपने बीच लग्जरी की बात की, इवन व्हेन आई गो देयर आई फील सो गुड एंड कनेक्टेड.
Exactly.
So the connection is very important, that when the guests come to the hotel दोबारा आए तो उनको लगे यार this is like a home.
Exactly. And one of the main things that people would like to come back is not about the services, it's about the experience.
Yeah.
And that make them feel connected to that place, because we are creating memories, anniversary, shadi,
Wow.
birthday celebrations. So there are people who come and visit us and they are like, we got married here, we are coming back after
Aw.
20 years. So that's the best part.
And I think people like that only. जब
Exactly.
उनको सिर्फ एक services ना मिल रही हो बल्कि memories create हो रही हो. So that's beautiful. Tell me about the restaurants at Avari Towers.
As I mentioned, we have Fujiyama, Japanese restaurant. Then we have Sky Barbecue that has desi food. You will get barbecue there, and it has a beautiful view because it's on the
Okay.
rooftop, 17th floor.
Okay.
And then we have Asia Live. It has
Right.
the international cuisine. Dynasty, that's completely Chinese.
Right.
And Cinnamon, there you can grab your coffee, have some dessert, sandwiches, maybe can have a meeting.
Yeah.
So, yeah,
And which one is your favorite?
Fujiyama, because I
Fujiyama.
love sushis. We just finished them.
Absolutely, and I tried Asia Live. मुझे तो वहाँ का खाना भी बहुत अच्छा लगा. So tell me something about the chefs here.
Okay.
That are they ordinary chefs or they are very well trained? होता है ना कभी कभी इंटरनेशनल शेफ्स को भी हम लेकर आते हैं and they have the sense of food,
Yes.
knowledge of food.
So when it comes to Dynasty, our chef is Chinese. So he's
Okay.
from there and he has
Wow.
so brought up from being the same culture. So just छोटे ingredients we miss out, they don't do that.
And it
So-
must be so authentic.
Exactly.
वो चाइनीज नहीं
Most
जो हम
authentic.
सारे मसाले डाल के बनाते हैं.
Exactly, the
असली
desi
वाला
Chinese. So, and then when it comes to Fujiyama, we have Chef Carlo, and he is very much experienced. And I'm sure you have tried the sushi, and I would again recommend you come and try sushi exclusively made from his hands, and you'll love them more.
I would love to. So that is great to know that जो आपके chefs हैं वो भी इतने experienced हैं and they have the perfect knowledge. But यहाँ पे जो हमारी आवाम है, like the guest comes, do they have that acceptability for the authentic taste? क्योंकि कराची में authentic नहीं खाया जाता, हम कुछ ना कुछ mix कर देते हैं.
So we have different portfolio for all the restaurants. So when it comes to Japanese food, so people are from that bracket as already, so they know how do the authentic Japanese flavors taste like,
Right.
because they're internationally traveling, they're corporate guests,
हाँ.
and the pay, it's like the cost is like 8,000 plus tax. I told you the buffet, so they know.
Yeah. They are the niche. Okay.
Exactly.
Zoa, tell me three top perks of being in the hospitality industry.
Khana, and khana. All right. So you get the best food. That's one of the
looks and looks.
So you get to try the best cuisine. You get to know the know-how, how the ingredients works when it comes to
Yeah.
cooking. And number 2, free of cost grooming.
Yeah.
You groom your personality, appearance, patience. And number 3,
You get the experience,
Yeah,
free gyms and pools.
of course, and one more thing, you get to create a very good PR because people
Oh,
are traveling, you international players are coming, and
yeah.
you have their brand ambassadors, celebrities. So you get to know a lot of new people. So if you're fond of connecting with new people, then hospitality is the right place for you.
What's your most memorable encounter at Awari Towers?
Think the Canadian police cricket players were here, and my best moment with them was when Mr. Mansoor gave me a badge.
Wow.
Was my favorite moment because that was very
Yeah.
empowering. I like it, and it's still there with me.
Wow. Zoha, have you ever felt your job, if this industry is very draining and you want to quit the industry?
No, I would never want to quit the
Yeah.
industry. But if I get better opportunities, I might. But my intentions are not because everyday challenges. If you see how like occupancy went low in the Indo Park crisis,
Hmm.
in such scenarios, how do you take the decisions? How do you
हाँ,
sustain in the market? So these are the challenges which you overcome, and from that you learn a lot.
एग्जैक्टली
So
तो जो
I would
आने वाले जेनजीज हैं या जनरेशन उनको आप रेकमेंड करेंगे कि हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में आए?
जनजीज तो नाराज होके चले जाएंगे क्योंकि उनमें पेशेंस बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. बट अगेन आई गेस
बट
जनजी को
इंडस्ट्री विल टीच
डेफिनेटली
ना,
इनको आना
आना
चाहिए.
चाहिए.
सो दे एक्ट मोर लाइक अस.
So it was lovely talking to you,
Jansi, we
Zoha.
love you.
Yeah.
Please.
No, you know, there are some things that we need to learn from them. The way they set the boundaries, the way they are blunt, the way they knows their value.
They
जो
are
कि
very
millennials
sorted, very clear, and very vocal about what
हैं,
they want.
कॉन्स भी काफी सारे,
Exactly, वो
काफी
तो
सारे.
we know that,
बट
but
वक्त के
again,
साथ साथ हमने भी सीखा है तो वो भी सीख जाएंगे. बट इन जनरल इफ आई टॉक अबाउट द इंडस्ट्री, पर्सनली मुझे भी हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री बहुत पसंद है, लेकिन मुझे लगता है उसके साथ साथ उसके अपने चैलेंजेस होते हैं.
agreed.
और जब आप डील करें डायरेक्ट लोगों से तो हर तरह के गेस्ट आते होंगे ना. समटाइम्स सम पीपल आर वेरी स्वीट like Zoha,
Right?
and some people must be very aggressive and छोटी छोटी
It
चीजों पे
happens.
करना problem. So it was lovely talking to you and lovely being here at Awari Towers again through Catch Up with Aisha. So it feels so good. And हमने खाना try किया sushi first time. I'm happy, मुझे अच्छी लगी है. सच बोल रही हूँ. और yes, I will catch up with you again in another episode of Catch Up with Aisha. Till then, आप लोग अपना बहुत ख्याल रखें और कराची को साफ रखें. Thank you. अल्लाह हाफिज.